नहीं अम्मा आई है कि नहीं?
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Walaikum assalam. Finally you guys join in. What happened to you guys? You didn't see the whole message of school? It was written my
टीचर
Yeah.
हमने ज्वाइन करा हुआ था, कब से ज्वाइन नहीं हो रही थी।
You were
मैंने कब से ज्वाइन करा हुआ था आपकी क्लास की। टीचर मैंने कब से ज्वाइन करा हुआ था, आपकी क्लास ही ज्वाइन नहीं हो रही थी।
हाँ, मैंने भी. I have uploaded the correct ID. Hold on everyone. Please mute your mic.
मुझसे भी ज्वाइन नहीं हो रही थी।
I have uploaded the ID with all the teachers. I think you haven't seen the ID correctly. That was the previous ID. I have made the official ID. The first which was the first ID during the last semester. My ID, my computer laptop was broke. That's why I changed the ID. Now I'm back to the old one. Okay, please join this ID from now on. Okay. All right, everyone. Are you ready to do the arts class?
Yay!
All right, let me see your drawing first. Wow, Zainab, Abraham, and who else is showing me? Wow, nice, nice. Let me note down the name of the today's class, everyone. Till then, everyone, open your arts copy, prepare the page for new class. Nice. Okay, everyone, I'm going to show you a video right now. Till then, I'm going to take the attendance. Okay, everyone, mute your mic. Okay, I have muted down everyone. Everyone, you have to watch the video now. We have done last time what? Jana, would you like to unmute your mic and explain what we have done last time?
Teacher,
Who is this?
Ziba Shoaib.
Yes, Ziba.
टीचर मैं अपनी नाना वो टीचर मेरे पास आर्ट्स कॉपी नहीं है अभी।
Why, Zainab? Why, Ziba, you don't have arts copy?
टीचर कल मैंने बैग खोला तो मेरी एक जीके कॉपीज थी, आर्ट की कॉपी नहीं थी।
Everyone got the copy from school. I don't have anyone, a single person's copy. Shabi, Ziba, you need to find out. Yes, Shabi, yes.
Tomorrow.
Check it again. Maybe
Tomorrow we'll
the brothers have something. Okay, Hanya. Everyone, I hope everyone has done the pyramid, the Nile, river Nile, and yes, Ayan.
मिस मेरा स्प्रिंग टर्म का जो आपने काम करवाया था वो मेरा नहीं हुआ।
Spring term just started. We have what we have done? Yes, Zainab, unmute your mic and explain it to me. Explain to everyone that what we have done last time. Everyone, listen carefully. What we have done last time.
We do last time cave art.
Cave art? No, that's not the last time. That was the second last time. Zainab, this is not the last time work. Last time we have done
public transport. Teacher?
Yes.
Public transport.
No, that was way beyond the work. Abraham, would you like to tell everyone what did we do last time? Abraham, you can unmute your mic and explain it to everyone. What did we do last time?
Teacher, we have did the Egyptian art drawing and in which we have drawn 3 pyramids and 1 river Nile and Cleopatra, the last pharaoh of Egyptian era.
Cleopatra. It's a Cleopatra, not Cleopatra. Very good, Abraham. No problem. Everyone, we have done the drawing of Egyptian arts. I have shown the video. Isha Yasir, please sit properly. We have done the drawing of
टीचर
Egyptian
मैंने
art.
अभी तक नहीं बनाई.
You have to draw because I am going to check your arts copy, and those who have done it will get the golden stars from my side. So everyone, you have to complete your work. All right. Okay, now we have done the cave art, we have done the Egyptian art. We are moving on towards the next. What is next? Let me show you what is next. Okay, I'm going to
टीचर
you and
सामने मुझे आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Now you can hear my voice.
टीचर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ
We
रही
are
है.
talking together, that's why you are not hearing my voice.
टीचर मेरा काम सिर्फ हैंड स्पेशल तक हुआ है.
Egyptian civilization lasted for over 3,000 years and became one of the most powerful and iconic civilizations in history. At its height, ancient Egypt's empire stretched as far north as modern-day Syria and as far south as today's Sudan. But long before it was an empire, ancient Egypt was a series of small, independent city-states that bloomed along North Africa's Nile River. The city-states were divided into two regions and named according to the flow of the Nile. Upper Egypt in the south, which was upstream, and Lower Egypt in the north, which was downstream. By about 3100 BC, the two halves united, thereby creating one
टीचर ये क्या है?
that lasted for millennia.
टीचर ये क्या है? टीचर ये क्या है? टीचर ये क्या है? टीचर ये क्या है?
Why everyone is
मिस
talking
क्या
together?
है? मिस व्हाट इज दिस? टीचर व्हाट इज दिस? टीचर
Everyone, I'm going to introduce you what we are going to study today. We are going to study ancient Egypt, what with the different time period. Okay, we have done the drawing of ancient Egypt, that was Cleopatra, pyramid, and river Nile. That is the three most important things you all have to draw in very scenery way. Okay, I have uploaded the video of ancient Egypt video with how you can draw it. It's up to you. And I've seen so many drawings. Try to draw it not in a separate way. एक अलग picture नहीं चाहिए. I want you to draw in it. Ishal Yasir, please take a class in very serious way, okay? Sit properly. Yes, I'm watching each and every one of you. Please sit properly and take note. In your arts copy, you have to take note down what I'm going to tell you to draw, okay, everyone? You have to see the video with me, and I'm going to tell you you have to draw three things or two things in a scenery way, okay? You have to draw. Do you know what a scenery is? Scenery is something that you organized in like a scene. That is something seen. Just like you are watching a cartoon, it is drawn within different drawings, but organized in a way that you've seen. कि अच्छा ये तो morning हो रही है and she is walking. That is look like a scene, okay? Now everyone, back to the video. Watch the video. I'm going to answer in between the video, okay? Then I'll take the question answers.
The reign of this civilization can be divided into three major periods of prosperity, called the Old, Middle, and New Kingdoms, and two periods of instability in between, called the First and Second Intermediate Periods. Guiding the Egyptian people was a succession of about 300 rulers, often referred to as pharaohs. Pharaoh, which means great house in Egyptian, was never the ruler's formal title. It only became synonymous with the ruling individual in modern times, thanks to its use in the Hebrew Bible. These rulers, who were not always men, nor Egyptian, were considered protectors of the people and served as divine liaisons between humanity and the hundreds of gods they worshipped. After the rulers passed away, ancient Egyptians believed they then became gods. To prepare their journey into the afterlife, the rulers constructed elaborate tombs, including the Great Pyramids at Giza and underground mausoleums in the Valley of the Kings. Rulers filled their tombs with all the items they could need in the afterlife, including gold, jewelry, food, drink, and even pets. Preparing for this journey to the gods also involved mummifying one's body. The deceased's corpse was embalmed, wrapped in hundreds of yards of linen, and placed inside the tomb so the body could be reanimated in the afterlife. To this day, structures like the Great Pyramids are a testament to the role of religion in ancient Egyptians' lives.
Everyone, can you see the size of the pyramid? That's way beyond the human size. In the previous picture, you see the human size. The human people are standing over here. We show you with donations. Here, look at the picture over here. Look at it. It's so small. And look at the pyramid. It's so huge. Now compare it with the body. It must be somebody inside it. And they have buried a lot of things with them, like jewelry, poetry, and a lot of things that they like to take it after in their afterlife. That is what they think of. Okay, back to the topic.
In ancient Egyptians' lives. But they also represent the innovative and cultural might of the Egyptian people. Innovations in mathematics and written language in particular propelled their civilization to success. Math, specifically measurement mathematics, helped Egyptians understand and harness their world with numbers like no other civilization had before. They developed a new form of measurement called the cubit. It was used to design massive structures, such as the Great Pyramid, with remarkable geometrical precision. The Egyptians also measured time. By combining mathematics with astronomy, they established a 24-hour division to the day and created a solar calendar, which was the first dating system in history to feature 365 days in one year. Lastly, Egyptians developed methods to measure and survey land around the Nile River. These civil engineering feats made way for the construction of dams, canals, and irrigation systems that helped farming and agriculture to flourish in the Nile Valley. In addition to mathematical concepts, the ancient Egyptians also created written languages to describe the world around them. The oldest and probably most well-known of these is hieroglyphic writing. This system was developed around 3150 BC during the Old Kingdom.
Alright, previous language, you see, they have drawn a lot of different kind of symbols. They don't know how to write in a proper way, just like we do. So they are drawing and showing a different kind of language that is called hieroglyphs. What is called? Hieroglyphs. You will understand it once you go on to class 4 or 5. You will understand the history of these kinds of things. What my point is to show you that they are using not a paper but a wall, a column, and a very unique way of describing their history is like carving on the wall. Once you go out in these kinds of valley or ancient places, you will see the drawings on it, but actually this is the writing and they are telling you their history. They're very significant. Ishal Yasir, what is wrong with you, beta? Why are you so lousy? Yes, it's very disturbing. All right, this is the method they have drawn. Even sometimes you see a large figure of humans or a figure of lions, representing that there is something very huge in their history that represented that they are very brave or they have a very honest and muscular soldier that they're thinking of it. Now I want you to draw a picture just like they have tell you that they are understanding now time, a 365 days time. There is a one structure in history that they're drawing it to calculate the air. That is called Stone Age. Everyone write it down in your arts copy, Stonehenge. I'm going to show you a picture of the Stonehenge and you guys have to draw it. Why? And you need to write down the history of it, why it is very famous, why, what purpose of that building is, and what is the structure of this built on. Okay, let me share you the picture what I'm talking about. This is also use it for measuring the time. Can you see the picture of it? Everyone, nod your head if you can see the picture. This is Stonehenge. There is a stone. In this picture, you can see the stones are organized in a circular pathway. You see, in a circular pathway. It's now halfly destroyed, but still you can see that the circular is not destroyed completely. All the stones are standing in a position that when the sun moves, you can see shadow of the stone here, and they calculate what month is this, what time, what day of the month it is, and it is the half day of the moon or not. You see, only by this structure they can tell you this is the complete structure. You can see they have drawn in with the software. Now you have to draw this picture, two picture. One should be the top view and one should be the any other view. Okay, two picture on the same page or on the side by side page or the new page. It's up to you. Okay, write down the name of this picture: Stonehenge, the Great Britain Bronze Age. Everyone should write down. Then I'm going to take the question answers. Done? All right. Number one is I'm going to take Malahim. Yes, Malahim. What is your question?
टीचर ये जो है ना आप ना यूनिवर्सिटी पे क्या व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे सेंड कर देना.
Everyone, this is the first and last time I'm explaining to you that you don't need to worry about the video and the picture I'm sharing with you. I will upload it for sure in the university and group, but you need to see and watch in the live session and answer our question if you have anything related to it. Apart from this question, if you have any question, raise your hand. That's it, Malahim.
Okay.
Okay. Next is Abraham. Yes, Abraham.
टीचर हमें स्टोनहेंज के बारे में क्या-क्या लिखना होगा?
That what this building is built for, why it is important, who built it, history about it, but very in a very bullet point, you have to mention that the purpose of it. Okay. All right. Any more questions? Yes, Zainab.
Miss, I have two questions.
Yes, Zainab.
Miss, we can draw one picture here and here.
You can draw on the front. One picture on the front, and you can use another page if you want to draw two pictures. If you want to draw on the separate page, you can use two pages, but on the front. Please do not draw on the back.
Okay. And what will write?
You need to write about the Stonehenge, the history about. Everyone listen to it. Don't repeat the question, okay? You have to write about the Stonehenge. What is the purpose of Stonehenge? What is the purpose to build the Stonehenge? Why they build it? What is the main important function of that building? And why it is used for? What did they get after building that thing? And in which area they build it? Where it is located? Okay, just write down the bullet points. Do not write the paragraph. Write it down in the bullet points, the very important points. You need to read it and write it down. Okay, do not write the whole paragraph. I will ask you next time. Any more questions, Zainab?
Miss, we will. Yes, Miss, we will write in next page.
Yes, you can write on the back side. You can write on the back side, but draw in the front. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next question. Alicia. Yes, Alicia. What is the question?
Miss, वो ये spring term का है?
This is the spring term. Yes, we have already made the title page of spring term. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Then what is the worry about it? Obviously, we have started a new session, so you have to make it. There is no syllabus of spring term.
Okay, Miss. Miss, ये spring term की पहली drawing है?
No, I think so. No. I've taken the last class Egyptian. The Egyptian is also on the spring term.
Okay, miss.
Okay.
Miss, I don't have done.
You have to do it, Alicia. And I want to see the arts copy next week.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Yes, Hassan.
मिस हमें इसके बारे में अभी लिखना है
Yes, when you draw it, you need to find out in the Google and search about it and write down the bullet points of very important notes. Why it is built, when it is built, what is the purpose of it, why it is used for, when it destroyed, what it gave us, the very important things about this building. Okay, as a history.
ओके
Okay. Any more question, Hassan?
नो बस
Okay. Next is Faria. Yes, Faria.
Teacher, I was saying that teacher.
I didn't see your camera. It's off. Why? First of all,
Okay,
open the
miss,
camera.
let me open.
Kishal Yasir, you also. I'm taking every one question. Please hold on. Yes, Faria. Hold on. Where are you? Yes, Faria.
टीचर आई वाज सेइंग टीचर के हमें अलग से गूगल पे सर्च करना है इसके बारे में या हमें वीडियो में से करना होगा
No, you have to search in Google. There is no searching
Okay,
in video.
ओके मिस ओके थैंक यू
Okay. Next question, Shariar.
मिस
G.
ये जो आप काम करवा रही है ये स्प्रिंग टर्म का है
Obviously, Shariar. Why would we do a fall term in spring term? हम spring term का काम fall term में क्यों करेंगे? It's a very obvious question, Shariar. All right, next question, Ayan Abbas. I will come to everyone, please don't worry. Yes, Ayan.
मिस सिलेबस मुझे शेयर कर दे
I will share the syllabus today. By today, you will see the syllabus on university, okay? Everyone, if you want to know the syllabus of art, you can see it in my website today. At the end of today, I will share the syllabus on university. Okay?
मिस मिस
Yes, Ayan.
मिस सर वीडियो भी शेयर कर दे
I will. Don't worry about it, okay? But the picture I have told you to draw is not in the video. You have to find it in the Google. I will share the picture of the also, okay? Next question. Tiba, we have very limited time. So please ask very important questions.
मिस सामने मेरे पास कॉपी नहीं है तो मैं क्या करूं
Beta, I don't know. Check. Ask your class teacher. Maybe it's available in classroom, or you check your brother sister's bag or in your school on your home, because I don't have anyone's copy with me.
मिस मिस ये हमारा लास्ट ब्लॉक है
Yes, this is the last block. All right.
ओके
Okay.
Thank
Ishal Yasir. Yes, Ishal.
टीचर मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है
What did you don't understand, Ishal? First of all, I can't see you. Did you complete the previous work, Ishal? I've told you. You haven't done the cave art drawing. Balki, you have done the cave art drawing, right, Ishal? I've
यस
seen the drawing, yes. But you haven't done the fall term. It's okay, fine. Now, spring term, you have to draw one. The one is the cave art drawing. The second was the Egyptian art drawing. I have shared the video in university, and I have also told you to draw 3 things in Egyptian art drawing. That is the pyramid, the very important thing. The second is the river Nile, and the third was the last pharaoh. 3 things you have to organize in a scenery and draw it in your arts copy. You can either paint it, use a color pencil, use pastel. It's up to you. Sharia, please don't make a funny faces. Okay? You can use either of that.
टीचर आप ग्रुप में सेंड कर दे
I have already uploaded that video in university, beta. But I haven't shared the picture. It's up to you. You have to organize these three things in a scenery way. That is up your task. Okay, you have to draw it in a scenery way. This is your task, and I'm not going to help you in it. I only give you the picture of these three things, and I have already shared the video. Now you have to organize it just like you have drawn a scenery with smoke, river, and mountain. Then you have to draw like that. It's very easy. Most of the students have done it. Everyone, you have to send your ICT and art copy by next week for the checking. Everyone has to do it because you all will get marks according to it. All right, next question. Ishal. Yes.
मिस
Yes.
मेरा तो सिर्फ काम ना हैंड स्पेशल तक हुआ है.
Leave it, Ishal. Now you were absent and you were not taking classes. What can I do now? You only have now option is that to complete the spring term syllabus. Okay. Now spring term has started with the cave art drawing. आपने cave art drawing से start करना है. Spring term की है title page बनाना है. Cave art की drawing करनी है. Now next is the Egyptian arts drawing. आपने वो drawing करनी है. The third is today Stonehenge drawing. ठीक है, ये तीन drawing you have to complete, Ishal, and you can see the video and picture in university. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, good. Last question is Ziba. I have already take your questions. Anyone else is left? No, everyone is done. I'm not going to take the question because more than the people who have already asked me. Anyone more? Hania. Okay, Hania. This is the last question. Yes, Hania.
मिस जो आपने लास्ट टाइम जो हमने हमें पिक्चर दी थी बनाने के लिए उसमें हमें क्या ड्रॉ करना था.
Last time, which picture you are talking about?
वो जिसमें 3 पिरामिड बनाने थे.
Yeah, that was Egyptian. क्या कहते हैं उसे?
Okay.
That is called, what is called, Hania? Egyptian. Egyptian tha, you can see the video in university, and I have told everyone to draw 3 things from that Egyptian period. Okay, Egyptian era में से आपको 3 things बनानी थी arts copy में. That is number 1 is pyramid, number 2 is river Nile, and number 3 is last pharaoh, that is Cleopatra. ठीक है, ये 3 things आपको draw करनी थी arts copy में on a single page in a scenery way. जैसे scenery draw करते हैं ना, पीछे माउंटेन होता है, फिर सन होता है, क्लाउड्स होते हैं, हाउस होते हैं. आप just like that you have to draw these 3 things in a scenery. आपने scenery के साथ इन 3 चीजों को draw करना था. Okay, Hania, you got it?
Okay.
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 Okay. Any more questions? Okay. Oh gosh. Okay, Ziba. Yes, from you.
मिस मेरा काम नहीं हुआ तो आप वो व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड कर दें. मेरी जो है ना पूरी
Beta, I cannot upload the video on
खाली
WhatsApp.
पड़ी है.
First of all, I will not upload the video on WhatsApp. You all know that I will only upload the video on.
मिस
I can only share the picture of it. The picture I'm talking about. Okay, only picture.
वो मिस
Not the video.
वीडियो नहीं ड्राइंग है.
Drawing.
ड्राइंग्स की पिक्चर सेंड कर दी आप मुझे.
Once I'm going to check the arts copy, then I will share the picture. I don't have picture right now.
व्हाट्सएप पे चेक वीडियो हुई भी मेरी.
You can't copy others' work, Ziba. You need to see the homework title on the university and follow the drawing rules that you have to draw this. I don't want anyone to copy each other's works. आपने एक दूसरे की copy नहीं करनी. आपने एक दूसरे की copy से देखना है कि उन्होंने कैसे काम किया है. Then you have to do your own artwork. Create your own artwork. आपने अपना काम करना है, अपनी creativity दिखानी है. Okay? I will share the picture in the group, but कोई भी एक दूसरे का काम copy नहीं करेगा. You have to show your own creativity. Ayan Ali, be serious. We are still in class. And Shabi Fatma, we are not in parlor. Please pay attention. Yes, I am telling you to do your own creativity. I will share you the work of one or two people in the group, but You don't need to copy it. किसी ने किसी का काम copy नहीं करना है, अपनी creativity show करनी है, अपना काम करना है arts में, okay? किसी की help नहीं चाहिए, okay? My time is running out. Very important question from whom? Alicia, please do not ask the same question over and over again. It is taking a lot of time. Please note down the answers if any one of you ask it. अगर किसी ने कोई question किया तो everyone has to listen it. Maybe they were asking the same question. Next time, don't ask the same question if your fellows ask. Yes,
Miss,
yes, Alicia, jaldi se, fast. Jaldi se, Alicia.
just 1 minute. हाँ,
Alicia, fast.
Miss 1 second. Miss,
So,
मिस जो स्प्रिंग मिस वो जो स्प्रिंग टर्म की पहली पिक्चर थी उसमें क्या ड्रॉ करना था?
leave it, Alicia. Now spring term started. You first finish the spring term, then leave everything behind. Now fall term is over. No need to draw the fall term drawing.
मिस स्प्रिंग टर्म की फर्स्ट ड्राइंग
First drawing was the cave art. Cave art drawing करें. The second drawing was Egyptian art. The third drawing was Stonehenge.
सेकंड ड्राइंग वाज
Egyptian art. Egyptian.
एंड फर्स्ट
Cave art.
की आर्ट.
Cave art.
ओके मिस.
Malahim, where are you? You were asking the question. Yes, Malahim. Malahim, you were asking question, beta. Jaldi se ask. My time is running out. It can be closed in any minute. Ayan Ali, you are saying something. No, miss. Okay. Yes, Ishal. Ishal, where are you? Okay, everyone, that's it. You have to find out about Stonehenge today. Your homework was Stonehenge drawing, Stonehenge history, and remember you have to draw two picture of Stonehenge. Okay, one should be the top view, one should be the rear view. All right, everyone, take care of yourself. See you tomorrow in ICT class. Please, this is the ID and password for ICT class as well. Try to join in with this ID password, okay? And join on time with your ICT books and copies. Everyone, I'll ask you about the software tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.